Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth chapter of web development. So till now we have learned about the basics of HTML and CSS, and we have learned about HTML tables and HTML forms. So today I think that would be enough, or that those basics are enough to know as of now. So today we would be creating a one page website, one page scrolling website, and we would be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript or jQuery here. So let's get started. So we have taken this one page website. This one page is our project, and here it is. So first of all, we'll create an index file here, index.html, HTML code. So page website, one page website. Let's change the favicon link, favicon, and href is favicon.png. Let's copy the I've already got the logo and the favicon file, so I'll just paste it simply here, and I'll take a new folder by the name images, and I'll move my logo there. Now see, here it is. It should be shortcut icon favicon.png, and here it goes. We have got the favicon. Now we will create a CSS file inside a folder by the name CSS. Inside CSS, we'll create a new file by the name style.css. Now we will link our style.css here, and CSS style.css. CSS. Okay, here we go. Now we will also be needing a jQuery library here. So for that, what we will do is we will go to a new tab, we'll write download jQuery and hit the enter button. Now you see the very first link, download jQuery from jquery.com. Just click there and choose the very first file, that is download the compressed production jQuery 3.6.1. Now you see all these codes over here. Just select all these codes, copy it, and create a new folder here by the name JS, and inside JS create a new file by the name jquery.js, and paste all the codes here. Will word wrap. Okay, now we have got the jQuery library. We just need to link it up here. So script src equal to js jquery.js. So everything is linked up here. Let's check how. Go to the page source and click on favicon. We have got it. Click on style.css. We have got it. jquery.js. We have got it. Okay, so everything is fine now. Now what we will do is we will first create a section, and we'll give it a name banner, and let's say we'll give it a name mean h, and we'll get a class name banner mean h, and let's say we give it a class name I think that would be all. So inside section we'll create h1 home, and we'll just copy this, and we'll create another three sections. One is, so first one is the banner, another one is, and out of the first one, all others are the normal sections. So about us, and let's say our services, and contact us. See, and we'll put a small text as well, lorem ipsum That would be all, I think. Okay, fine. Boom. Okay, now what we'll do is HTML body first, make it, give it a width of 100%, give it a height of 100%, make the margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, font family, let's say Vardhana, that will be fine. Now what we'll do is we'll style the mean h class. So we gave mean h class to all of them. So we'll style it. We'll write minimum height would be 100 vh. So guys, here it is not pixels, it is vh. Vh is for it's device height. So whatever the height of the device would be, this container or this class will take the entire 100% of the height. So if we refresh the page, see, these are of 100% of height. And now we will, after meanage, we will also create another class by the name center, and we'll style it here, center, display flex, justify content, center, align items, center. However, we want these items to be aligned below each other. So what we will do is flex direction, we will make it column. See, here it is. Now, okay, now this thing, so the h1 inside the section, it should be text align center, and a p inside section, I mean the paragraph inside the section, its width, let's say 100%, max width will be, let's say 700 pixels. Okay, it's fine. Height auto, it's quite good. So see, all the sections and the text is at the center of the screen. So let's make it a little bit larger. Font size, let's say for rem, it's fine, it's good. And let's say p is font size, let's say 1.2 rem. Okay, fine. And also make it align to center. Okay, it looks good now. And what we want is we want a background image on the banner section, on the home section. So let's download an image of the banner image. Let's say nature wallpaper. So let's try this one. Desktop banner.jpg. Let's paste it to the images. All right, so what we will do now is we will style the banner. Banner is already a 100% width. We will just simply write background URL. Okay, background URL images banner.jpg. So see, Okay, we have these two dots as well. All right, we have got it, but the image is it's like, I mean, it's too much of width. So let's adjust the image. Background, repeat, no repeat, background, size, cover, and background position will be center. I'll see. Okay, now what we want is we want a little bit of what do you say, a kind of overlay here. So what we will do is we will write linear gradient RGBA, let's say 0.7, and RGBA 0.5. That would be good. Here it is. Okay, now banner h1, what we want is we want the h1 of the banner, one of the banner should be of white color, and paragraph should be too of white color. All right, rest of the sections are quite good. Now what we'll do is we need a navigation bar here. So how to create a navigation bar? So we'll simply go here, we'll write nav, and inside nav we'll put an anchor tag. Here inside the anchor tag we'll put an images. Source would be logo.png. See what we have got here. We'll give it a class name, logo image, and we will design it here. Logo image is where it should be 100%, but max where it should be 3 rem only. And after this we will put a span, we'll put a class name, logo text, and we'll write one page website. Okay, now what we will do is we'll give it a class name, that is navbar brand, and we'll put a class name here, navbar. Now what we'll do is dot navbar, let's say its width would be 100%, height will be auto, and background will be $CCC. Here it is. Now what we want is our navbar brand. So dot logo text, it should be, first of all we change the navbar brand, dot navbar brand, it would be dot navbar brand, it would be display flex, logo text align middle, uh, vertical text align. I think I've got something wrong here. Logo text, vertical align should be middle, vertical align should be middle, Instead of that, what we can do here is uh, align items center. And it comes to the center. I think width is too much. Let's say let's make it 2 rem. It's quite fine now. Logo text, let's make it margin right 10 pixel. Sorry, it should be margin left. Okay, now navbar brand will make it text decoration none, and we'll make it float, not float, font weight bold, font weight bold, and color would be $333. Here it is. Now what we want is we want our navbar to be a little bit on the left, margin left 150 pixel. Sorry, pixel. Not navbar. It should be the navbar brand. Here it is. And now we'll take a main menu div class equal to main menu. We'll create an UL unordered list. Inside UL we will declare li, and inside li we will declare a, that is home. One is for home, and then about us, our services, and contact us. About us, make it our services, contact us. Here it is. Now what we'll do is navbar brand will float it to the left, and dot main menu, what we'll do is float it to the right. And from main menu as well. Okay, navbar background color transparent. All right, menu margin right 150 pixel. Okay, now what we'll do is main menus UL would be margined 0 pixel, and padding would be 0 pixel. And now what we'll do is the main in the main menus UL, and it's lie, the list style will be none, and float should be left. All right, now here we can see okay, so navbar is not taking up its properties because we have floated the elements one to right and another to the left. So we will have to declare a clear fix class here. Clear fix, and clear fix will be styled here. Clear fix. In the after of clear fix, there would be a content, that is a full stop, Suppose line height will be 0 pixel, height will be 0 pixel, display will be block, clear will be both, and visibility will be hidden. See, we have got the nav bar. Now what we will do is we will inside the LA we have A, the anchor text, and here the text decoration would be none, color will be $333, bold, and display will be inline block. Now we'll put a padding of 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Right. Its background will be $333, let's say, and let's see the color is FFF. Now we'll put a margin also. Margin will be 0 pixel and 10 pixel. That would be enough. Now, okay, our images, logo image is a little bit smaller. So instead of 2 rem, let's make it 3. That would be good. And okay, float left, float right, main menu, main menus, margin top and bottom. Margin top will be auto and margin bottom will be auto. All right, here it goes. Now in the main menu as well, let's say in the main menu we need to put a clear fix. That's good. And margin will be 10. Okay, it's fine now. Bottom will be 0 pixel. It's great now. Perfect. Now what we will do is, let's make it 20 pixel. Okay, it's good now. What we need to do here is we want this nav bar brand to be at the center too. So margin top will be auto and margin bottom will be auto. All right. Now in the nav bar we want some padding, only padding top and bottom. So we'll make it 20 pixel and 0 pixel. So here it is. So this is the navigation menu. Now what we want is we want this navigation menu to be fixed. So in the nav bar we'll write position fixed, and see the navigation menu is fixed now, and we want its top to be 0 pixel and left to be 0 pixel, and its Z index should be 9999. Now we want this background to be transparent, and we want, okay, instead of this, okay, it's good now. And let's remove this thing, let it be black. It looks good now. Okay, now what we want is we want our navigation bar to change the style when we scroll down the web page. So for in order to achieve that, we need to use JavaScript. So what we will do here is we'll create our own JavaScript codes. So Windows, we will declare a scroll function. Scroll function. We will create a variable that is scroll by the name scroll is equal to window dot scroll. We will use a scroll top function to determine the value of the scroll amount. Now if scroll is greater than equal to 100, then we will add a class in navbar, add class that is scrolled, scrolled, and we will remove this class if it doesn't meet the criteria, that is scroll amount is minimum 100. So we'll remove the class, remove. Now see, inspect element, navbar. If you scroll down the page, see we have got one more class called scrolled. Now we will style this scrolled. So when the navbar will be scrolled, then its padding should be 10 pixel, 0 pixel. See, okay. And what we want is background color to be changed to FFF, like this. And we want let's remove the background from here. It looks good this way. F333. Okay, like this. Now we want a border bottom of 1 pixel, solid $333. Border bottom solid dot scroll important. Okay, here we go. Here it is. Or we can change the style a little bit. Instead of this border, we can write df and see. Yeah, this is fine too, not bad. Now if we see our website is not navigating through this, however when we scroll it down, the animation is too fast, right? So we want it to be a little bit smooth. So what we will do here is inside the nav bar, or we will create a class by the name smooth, and we'll write WebKit transition all 500 ms is, and we'll do it for other browsers as well. WebKit Mozilla, MS for Microsoft Edge, O for Opera, and a normal one. And we'll put this transition here. So the style is changing in navbar. So navbar here we will declare smooth. See, we get a very nice little smooth, nice easing smooth effect. All right, here we go. It's good now. Now we want our website to be navigated when we click on these buttons. So for that, we'll put an ID to each section. So ID equal to home, ID, ID equal to about, and ID equal to services, and ID equal to contact. So we'll put here the link about services contact. Now see, click on about us, it goes to about us. But the only problem over here is it's directly loading up the section. So we want a nice scroll effect here. So for that, what we will do is we will go to the CSS, and on HTML and body, we will write scroll behavior smooth. And if you click here now, see, you get a very good scrolling effect here. So guys, that is all for today. We have successfully created a single page website, single page scrolling website. So I hope you understood this video, and if you have any doubt, you can write in comments, and I will get back to you with the solution. And if you like this video, just hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video with a different topic, and we will create some amazing and beautiful websites in the next video. So thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.